In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your pronouns to your LinkedIn profile, a quick and easy task that should take no more than 5 minutes. This is a great way to ensure that your profile is both inclusive and personalized, reflecting exactly who you are. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to go to linkedin.com. Fire up your preferred web browser and type in the URL, or simply click on your LinkedIn bookmark if you have one. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log in. You can sign in using your Google or Microsoft account for added convenience, or just use your email address and password if that's what you're used to. If you've set up two-factor authentication, LinkedIn might prompt you to verify your identity by sending a code to your phone. Be sure to have your mobile device handy to complete this quick verification step. Once you're logged in and on the main LinkedIn feed, focus your attention on the upper right-hand corner of the page. Here, you'll see your profile picture, which acts as a gateway to your profile settings. Give it a click and then select View Profile. This action takes you directly to your personal profile where you can make the necessary edits. Next, locate the pencil icon next to your profile picture. This is the edit icon, your key to modifying your profile details. Click it and you'll be taken to a view where various sections of your profile can be edited. Now scroll gently downwards through your profile details until you find the Pronouns section. If you don't see this section immediately, don't worry, it's in there. Just take your time. Once you find the Pronouns section, look for the Please Select drop-down menu. This menu is where you will choose the set of pronouns that best suit your identity. Click on the drop-down menu and you will see several options such as she, her, he, him, and they, them. There's also a custom option if none of the predefined options fit your preferred pronouns. After making your selection, double check to make sure it appears correctly in the drop-down. Finally, make sure to click the Save button at the bottom of the page. This is important as it ensures that all the changes you've made are stored and applied to your profile. And that's it, you've successfully added your pronouns to your LinkedIn profile. This small but meaningful addition helps promote inclusivity and diversity, aligning your online professional presence with your identity. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful LinkedIn tips.